Greetings and hallucinations, ladies and lads. I am Chancellor of the Harmonious Frequencies of the Mighty Empire of Onion, and this is While True, Learn. I'm pretty excited. I really, this game isn't what I thought it was at first, but, it should be similar. I thought it was, gonna teach us how to do coding, and maybe it will a little bit. We'll see. But it's more about, like, machine learning and AI and stuff like that, which is great. Logic puzzles, which a lot of coding is anyway. I'm sorry if you can hear that jet outside. How's it going, Alex? Dunson, welcome. Dancy did the music, it's great. It's so chill. I actually started up the game to make sure I could stream it about a half an hour ago, and I've just been listening to the music while I got everything set up. It's fantastic. Very calming, which is great for a puzzle game. Let's see what it's like. This is my first time ever opening it up. In fact, I just installed it about an hour ago. It's a very small game. It's only like $10, and I think it's on sale on Steam right now. 30% off, so it might only be like $6 or $7. Alright. To become a programmer, you must master your art of turning the computer on. Press and hold the flashing triangle, and drag to connect the power outlet with your PC, screen, and keyboard. When it's done, press power button that will appear in the upper right part of the screen. Congratulations, you're almost a programmer now. Good. We're turning it on. We did it! Time to cross fingers and turn on the power. Oh my gosh. It worked. Computer is on. One more step. Norm, how's it going? Watch my last PZ vid? Yeah. That was, very upsetting. Error. His coffee is empty. Oh no. So sad. Gotta get that more coffee. What's the cat doing? Cats don't know how to use computers. Oh my god. He did it though. He fixed the code. The cat is smarter than the man. Did you do that? Holy zeros. Oh, that's hilarious. Do zeros have holes in them? Hilarious. Oh no, the coffee. That's right. You were driving and couldn't type fast enough to say avoid pit stop? Man, I drove that way to avoid Muldra because I didn't want to drive through there and it was just as bad. If only I could understand what this cat has to say. I guess we'll have to find out a way to recognize your speech. Cat speech recognition. Google it? Okay. On Cat Overflow. Here we go. Alright. That's an easy puzzle right there. What is your name? How to recognize animal speech. Can you believe my cat? The little devil has debugged my code again. It's happened before? Are you kidding? Definitely has something to say, so I decided to make some sort of system, algorithm, which would help me understand him. Give me advice, wish me luck. I'm not insane. My mom had me tested. That's hilarious. Why is it F5 to move forward? Don't rush ahead of yourself. Making a device that would be able to detect the cat would be a nice start. You can work with video, sounds, etc. when the time is right. A couple of days ago, I've been reading about how Expert System can be applied for detecting animals and writing chatbots. The newspaper was called Deep News. I'll be sending you my copies once I'm done with him. I just realized F5 is refresh. So he was refreshing his page to get the responses up. That's why he was pressing F5. Welcome to your workspace. This is where programming, magic, and bugs, mostly bugs, is born. To begin, drag an Expert System node from the list on the right. Okay. Drag the connection line from the starting node on the left to Expert System node on the right. If you want to delete connection, place your mouse over the line and press right mouse button. Okay. Red, else, 1 second. Okay. I assume it's going to go like this, because it's saying else if there's no cat. Wait a second and then look at the next one. Click test run to check if the scheme works properly. It's doing it. You have one of your cats sitting next to you right now? Nice. Cats are awesome. Run complete. Success. Final result. Time spent 21 of 26 seconds. Nodes used 1. Continue. Let's see. Hey again, I've tried that Expert System and it hardly makes any sense. Squares are floating from left to right. Is that what all the fuss is about? Machine learning. Are you guys actually working there? It's called visual programming, my fellow dude. Yes, this is how it's supposed to work. The Expert System analyzes your data input from the camera and checks if there's a cat on them. No, it's not what machine learning is all about. It will get hardcore soon enough. Well, I'm not very good at it yet, apparently. When do I actually start building a cat translator? Don't rush it. You gotta master your machine learning ninja skills first. I'm working as a freelancer and the amount of contracts is crazy. I'll forward you some jobs. I don't have time for it. It'll help you get on your feet and earn some cat bucks as well. Check your mail now. You're still paying for the service though. Okay. Noob advice. There's an auto help for each new technology. Very convenient. I've turned it on for you now. No need to thank me, but you probably want to change your password. MyCatTalks123 is pretty obvious. Okay. Behold the task tree. This is the map of your progression in the game. Vertical progression stands for story quests. Horizontal branches are optional. Icon colors stand for different types of machine learning text used in respective tasks. Sounds pretty simple, or so we hope. Icon colors. Okay. Spanish school at Cat Meow. Applicants. Good day, we're from a public school. Summer exams have ended. The results are attached to the letter. Could you process them and predict which of the students will be able to enter the MIT? Okay, I'll do it. Very interesting so far. Yeah, it's a lot of info right off the bat. These colorful geometric shapes, they represent various kinds of data, numbers, letters, elements of images. In modern world, everything can be turned into data, and machine learning is all about sorting and interpreting data. Long story short, your goal in the game is to transfer data from the left part of the screen to the right. These bars show the minimum amount of data that needs to be processed to complete the task. Okay, we gotta process 8 squares. So we want green squares and the blue squares can go away. So this time we say green, else go down. Like this. This is the exact same thing that we did last time. So it should be pretty simple. $350 cat bucks. we're gonna do it. Release a program to complete the task. Okay. Reward 350. Cat Cloud minus 42. 308. I guess the Cat Cloud is the, what's it call it? The server that I have to pay for. Errors in database. Hello. We have some errors in our questionnaire's data. We can't solve the problem by ourselves. Can you please fix it? Sure. Maybe. Of metals. Your efficiency is measured not just in money, but with metals too. Metals influence your story progression while boosting your self-esteem at the same time. To get a medal, your scheme has to meet the respective time and nodes limits. You can improve your result later on. Okay. Trash can. In the game, this node destroys elements. Important detail, no matter how many trash cans you place, they will count for one node in the nodes limit. Real data sets have lots of errors. Filtering out errors is a very important skill for all data scientists. Confused? Stuck? Join our Discord server. Learn how it works. Warning, maths, integral, derivatives, and other scientific words inside. Oh no. Okay. So... see, they want red and green to go in there. Okay. So go... let me see about that. So red and green. And we put it in a trash can. Oh, you can only do one at a time. Wait a second. Can you connect two nodes to this one? Yes. Okay. Let's see. How are we gonna filter out the... oh, you know what? All we have to do is say, blue. Because that doesn't need to be... put this back. And so we just send the blue ones to the trash can. And then all the red and green ones will go. Hey, there we go. So smart. "11 seconds. Launch complete. Success. Result whatever this is. I think that's still gold, isn't it? 56 monies. Time spent 28.1 of 29. We were so close to missing it. Nodes used 2 of 2. 100%. We did it. We're so good at games. At logic. Errors in database number 2. Hello, it's us again. We found some new types of errors made by our users. Please update your program. It will be easier if you use the previous version of the code. Deep news. Non-neural artificial intelligence. Mankind has always been trying to create an artificial intelligence. Before the invention of neural networks, people used expert systems. An expert system is a deterministic algorithm which reproduces decisions of a real person. An example, this is Eliza, the very first chatbot in the world. It was created in 1966 and talked with the patient using questions similar to real psychotherapists. It worked horribly. I am Eliza. Hi, Eliza. How are you today? What would you like to discuss? Amazing. Okay, custom nodes are special nodes containing your previously designed schemes. Press on the middle tab to switch to custom nodes list. Okay, drag the custom node sorting the color red to the workspace. If you want to modify the scheme inside the custom node, double right click on it or press the down arrow icon. If you want to modify the scheme, double right click on it or press the down arrow. Okay, I think the red else divide is fine. I guess it still attaches in the same way, and they just want 8 reds. So then we pull out a trash can and throw away everything else, eh? Is this correct? Would appear so. That's a lot of user errors getting thrown in the trash can. Come on, we just need like 4 more red ones. We got 4 seconds. We did it. We got gold again. 2 nodes used. $800. Holy jeez. We're already 13% to our cat speech recognition system. Amazing. Decision trees. How to recognize a cat in the picture. Finding a cat in the picture. Is there any way to detect the cat without using expert systems? It works for text, but with pictures, not so much. Furthermore, that cat just won't sit still. That it does not. Try decision trees then. Those are like expert systems, but on steroids. Once you feel comfortable around them, try Sift. This little devil is way more effective with pictures. Also works nicely when paired with other algorithms. Or you can use nails or glue or something. Come on. It's just a cat, it won't fight you back. IJK, please don't use anything I mentioned on an actual cat. That's right. Different nodes have different processing rates. This parameter will influence efficiency of your schemes. Icons on the right indicate the amount of time required for a node to process one element of data. Icons. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's see. In the game, this node compares output parameters, the sockets, with an element's color. If the element color is equal to only one socket's color, the element moves to that socket. If an element's color satisfies both conditions, or none of them, it goes to a random socket. Okay. In the real world, decision tree is one of the basic machine learning algorithms. Each tree knows a limited number of classes. For each element, the tree asks some questions and chooses the class most similar to the element. Learn how it works. We could watch a video. Never mind. Huh. I think that's supposed to, that probably takes you to a web page, but for some reason my computer doesn't know that I have a web browser. I can't get Discord to go anywhere either. Okay, so this one will accept red and green, this one will accept blue and green. So we just have to do this. Perfect. And this one is much faster than this one, so it worked out. 11.5 seconds. Okay, so now we can go into these other ones as well, and I think I will. Let's check out optimization. Optimization of the code. Hi, it's us again. We hope it's our last request for you. We've changed our database system. Can you update your code one last time? We need it to work faster. Okay. To decrease and increase speed, click a button on the screen, or use arrows or A and D buttons. Use space to pause. Okay, so we need this guy. And a trash can. Red and blue. Oh, there's green also. That's not good. So this one won't accept the green. You know, I'll bet we could put this in here. There. We did it. We got a silver for this. Why? No, to use 3 of 4. I thought it said the trash cans always only count as 1. Okay. Oh, we still got silver. No, it's used 3 of 4. I'm not sure about this. How the heck would we do this different? I guess we could take this off. Oh, is there a... It says any. So if we do it like this, is it gonna send reds down here too? No. Yeah, it did. It did. This is the only way that I can see that we get it out of here faster, you know? Why is it moving through here so slow? Okay, we still got gold. There we go. Man, that took a little while for me to figure it out. It shouldn't have been that difficult either. MedX. Greetings. Our company is manufacturing all organic natural painkillers. They are used to decrease suffering, mood improvement, and coping with eating disorders. Known side effects, including dilated pupils, diarrhea, physical and mental addiction, are caused by the human factor. From time to time, our workers pick the wrong plants because they look like medicinal herbs. We'd like you to design an algorithm that would sort herbs by petals color. Okay. Alright. There's only 2 outputs for this. Okay. We definitely want red up there. What do you think about this? Because green can go to all of them, so really we do only need the red and blue, but we need 3 connectors to put them out there. Because I don't know that we could go... yeah, there's only 1 connection that we could do here. We need 19 of them up here, 16 here, and 15 here. We are coding Gargisnar, or trying to. Think about this. Because blue and green, we could just bring straight over here. That's fine. I guess we will still get some green ones out of here if we put it through this. But then we need to send this just to 1. Man, this is a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. It's probably simpler than I'm making it, though. But the fact that we can only take 1 out of here is the problem. You know, I think, Can we connect 2 to 1? Yeah. So if we send red and green up here, then we can switch this to blue. Oh, come on. Give me 2 of these. Is there no sound? There should be. Alex said he was dancing to the music earlier. Okay, let's see. We can only connect up one. We need green to go to all of them, so... Let's see, red and blue. Let's try this. Let's try this. It's working. I can't believe it. It's working. This one's getting too many, though. We got a silver here. Let's use 2 of 3. Yeah, 22 of 15. But the accuracy was 100%. What were we... It's trying to tell us we have to use another node, or what? I'm not sure why we only got silver. Are we meant to be using 3? Because right now it says gold. I don't know why it goes down to silver. Let's try again. Is it not fast enough? Oh yeah, because this one... Okay, it's silver because of the time. Not sure how we could make this faster, though. I wonder if we just say, or call this red. Let's see what happens now. Because we're mostly going to get reds up here. And so if it sends them up here more often... No, it's still sending them randomly down here. Yeah, we did much better when this was set to any. But just splitting it like this, I don't know. It keeps sending more down here than it does up here. I wonder if we just switch these. If that'll make any difference. Yeah, it is. I don't know why it's sending... Well, now it's sending more through the top. Yeah, it sends tons in the middle. But I think that this is right. Because blue and green all get set in here. Occupancy. Accuracy. Okay. It was Spotify? Oh my gosh. You would have one taking green, and the rest... any at the front split. You don't know how the game works? We're not very deep in it yet. And it's already stumping me. have one taking green, and the rest any at the front split. If we do... See, they can all take green. So that's why I split the red and blue, because red specifically can only go to these two. And so that's why I'm sending it through this one. If we split green off... And see, if I turn this into green, then it'll send reds along this blue one too. And no greens will come through here. Green is ubiquitous. If the color doesn't match any of these that are on here, then it just gets sent to one randomly. So green will go on both of these channels here. Yeah. But I don't think that there's a way to control, like, volume. Okay. It is pretty cool, yeah. I'm really enjoying this. I'm just wondering how I could get gold on this. It just needs to go faster, but these are the fastest ones that we have. Maybe we come back to this one later. Because we might get better, whatever these were called, that operate faster. I wonder too if position means anything. Like if we move this up, is it gonna space out the things and get them sorted better? I don't think that's really making a big difference. I think these can't have more than one connection. Yeah, I think maybe we come back to this one. So we'll test run it, and then we'll just release. Yeah. Error stack overflow. Okay. I don't know what that means. So that was this one. Well, we'll have to try to come back to it. We'll figure it out. Illuminati Origins. Good day. I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to figure out the true story behind the Illuminati secret society. I need to recognize all the triangular shapes in these documents to solve the puzzle. Could you design a program that would do that for me? Okay. And the game. This node compares shapes. If an element shape matches the designated shape, said element goes to the top socket. Others go to the bottom socket. Okay, so it's just like the color one, but now it's shapes. Sift is scale invariant feature transform. Okay. Is one of the most powerful non-neural algorithms for detecting features on pictures, which is essential for image recognition. Sift is very fast and is capable of recognizing simple objects and patterns. Okay. We'll do it. Okay, he said he wanted triangles. Stack Overflow is like a memory leak? Oh, okay. Trying to write to something with no allocated space. I see. Can you change the connections? Illuminati reference, that's right. Alright, gold. First try. $1,000. I wish. Working for the man feels too easy, boring, or soul-sucking. Aim for the sky and become a CTO of a startup. In the world of salvage Savage market laws. It's either sink or swim. Will you get rich or bite the dust? It's worth trying anyway. Okay. So now we could go up, but I think we're going to go to the pizza shack over here. Oh, see, I haven't seen what these private messages are. Okay. History of expert systems. 1965 can be considered a starting point for the work on creating expert systems. That year, scientists of Stanford Research Institute, Edward Feigenbaum? Or is it Feigenbaum? I don't know. And Bruce Buchanan teamed up with Nobel laureate Joshua Lederberg, began working on a computer system designed to determine the molecular structure of chemical compounds. Very interesting. Who invented the decision tree? Decision tree is one of the automatic data analysis methods. The first ideas of creating decision trees date back to the works of Hovland and Hunt in the late 50s of the 20th century. However, the fundamental work that gave impetus to the development of this direction was a book named Hunt, Marin, and Stone Experiments in Induction, published in 1966. Okay. Mom and Dad, they're sending me money. Remember how you cherish your financial independence, but come on, your B-Day is just around the corner. Be a good kid and take this money and buy yourself something nice, will you? We love you very much, and we miss you. Do not forget to put a hat on. It's very cold outside. I'll take the money. Sure. Mama Smith's Pizza Shack. Nerds. Hello. We're honored to invite you to join our startup, the world's first AI-controlled pizza place. But our fingers are always stained with flour, and we can't really code because of that. Help us write and implement an algorithm that would be capable to separate orders for round pizza from orders for square-shaped pizza. Let's feed the people and become rich. Okay. I'll do it. A scheme created while working for a startup does not differ from any other. But there is no solution to startups. A scheme just works better or worse, and your future profits depend on its quality. Okay. We only have square and round items here, so circles, squares, easy. Seems to be working fine. Further testing won't affect your results in this startup. Feel free to stop testing now. Okay. Trying to design an AI-controlled pizza place. It serves pizza in round and square shapes. I know. The scheme you're designing is the brain of the pizza robot. It sorts orders by the shape of pizza that your clients order. These are the users of your startup, in this case, your pizza restaurant. They've heard of a new amazing place in town, and now they want to grab a slice. Good. These are your clients' orders. The millennials don't care too much about toppings, only shape matters, I guess. Mind the accuracy. If a client gets a pizza they've ordered, they will pay you money and tell their friends about your place. Okay. If a client doesn't get what they want, they refuse to pay and don't expect them to return with friends. Okay. One more thing. Clients don't like waiting in queues, and they will leave with no hesitation. If your scheme is working slowly, the waiting line will get longer. The market is constantly changing, so pay attention to what's going on and experiment with your schemes. And now it's time to launch your first startup. Okay. Well, we did it already, so we'll test run it again, just to make sure. Okay, it's working. This action deploys the code to the servers. From this moment, the startup will work automatically. Okay. Lunch. This table is your principal source of information about your startups. Press Next Day button to proceed. When you switch to the next day, you get the money you've earned or lost, depending on how many users' requests were processed by your scheme. Hey look, your users seem to like what your scheme is doing. They're even inviting friends. The cash is flowing. Amazing. Dang millennials, that's right. When a hype icon is green, that means your startup is all over the news. Expect lots of new users. Good. Good. 1,500 bucks. Let's go back to the tree. Okay, Chicken Escape. Chicken Escape Farm. Hi there, my name is Sarah. I own a small technology farm. Our distributors demand supplies of eggs of different kinds, and it takes a lot of time to sort them manually. That's why we've decided to automate the process. We have all the data about eggs parameters, but we need an algorithm which will work without human assistance and with high accuracy. Okay. So we'll put squares in here, and everything else should be triangles, and should go down there. I like how it sends the circles, it's a zoom. Heck yeah. Go, circles, go. Okay, silver. Once again, I don't see how we could get this to go any faster. I'm pretty sure the time limit was what set us back. Nodes used 2 of 9. Why would I use 9 nodes on this? That's crazy. $1,000. I'll take it. Crowd psychology. Mission success. Zadunas! How am I doing? I'm doing alright. It's midnight 40 for you. Come on. On a Tuesday night? Man, what are you doing? What are you thinking? Good day. Our company is making a research on crowd psychology. We need an algorithm which would be capable of defining a person's type based on certain behavior patterns. This way we will be able to quickly identify dangerous individuals in the crowd and prevent unpleasant accidents. We have identified the parameters to work with, but we need an experienced developer to write the algorithm. Okay. I'll try. You don't have school tomorrow. Or today. Oh my gosh. Did I get some sleep? Yeah, I slept pretty good. I had crazy dreams too. Like really, really wild dreams. Okay. We have green boys here too. So we're gonna have to think about this. Well, no, we need green and red to come down here. Say green. Sifter for triangles. So this will come down here. That's gonna go in there. We'll have a trash can. Well, the trash can could be used by multiple ones, so we may hold it out here. Then what we need, red squares. Okay, yeah. Red and blue. We only get one. No, that's not gonna work. Let me think about this. Let's sift the triangles first. Triangles go in the trash, and so that way the squares and circles are all going to come through here. And in fact, we don't even need this here. This could just go straight over. Because only red and blue are going to be coming up here, the triangles are going in the trash, and all the circles and squares will come over here. Okay, so that's this one done. We've got green triangles coming down here. We also need red squares to come down here. Okay, so we're gonna say we did need this one. I was wrong. How am I going to do this, though? So obviously blue can go straight in there. That's fine. but we need some of the red squares down here. Think about this. So green triangles, that's all we need here. Maybe I have these backwards. We could sift triangles afterwards into the trash. No, we can't. Because I can't put both red and blue in here. It only allows one input. So yeah, this has got to be correct. Triangles, trash. Else in here. Can the red and blue go into the sift? Yes. But yeah, I need red squares over here and down here. And let me think about this. It's going to be circles and squares coming out of this one right now. I guess we could do 2 sifts, though. How would that work? We just found out it can't. Chat is not good for communicating in this game. It's true. Okay. So yeah, if I did it like this, we could have this one done, but then we don't ever get red squares down here. Okay, so red we'll bring down here. Squares are going to go here. I don't think I could do 2 of these. That's the problem. If I could connect this to both of these, then that would be fine, and then I could just do the circles up here. Oh, what if we do, circles? No, that's not gonna work either. Because then we won't get any squares up here. I guess we don't have to have squares up there. If there's circles and squares, it should work. Let's try this. Because that's still accurate. We don't have to have squares up here. Red squares, I mean. Oh, we ran out of time. And low accuracy? What do you mean? Oh, I guess it wasn't getting 100% of what it wanted up here. Okay. So we do have to have squares up here. Hey, Cyber Zombie, how's it going? My internet tubes are clogged? That's true. Gracious. This is the number of units that I need to get gold. But we ran out of time. And if I tell it squares to go up here, then this one won't get anything. But, well, circles. Wish you could help in a non-text format? That would make things easier, yes. I agree. Okay. I feel like just starting over. Let's try again. From scratch. Okay. So the only place that we need triangles is here. Green triangles go there. So now all we have to deal with up above is circles and squares. Okay, so now we need the red and blue. What if we sifted just squares through this tree? But then we can't connect this to two things. Yeah, I don't like that. Can you have multiple streams from the source? No, sadly. Like, I can't connect this to two things. It can only be connected to one. And same with these outputs as well. I can't connect these up to two. That would make things a lot easier. Lang196. Hello. Yeah, cause see, if we hook this up like this, we can have two inputs to this, and so that would have the circles and squares going in here. That would be done. But we still need red squares down here. That's been the hard part so far. I don't see how we could do this part any different though. I can't just sift squares out of here. It's not gonna work. This is so tough. Have green non-triangles going from the decision tree to the bottom? Yeah, but triangles aren't needed anywhere. Except for here, and it's only green ones. So all of the triangles that aren't green just go in the trash. They don't belong anywhere. Yeah, all triangles that aren't green just go in the trash. That's supposed to be the way it is. Because this output only wants to accept red circles and squares, blue circles and squares. And then this one needs red squares and green triangles. Yeah, so I wanna send squares and circles up here because we need to get red squares and circles in here, blue squares and circles in here. So that's done. Blues is done. The red is what we need. We need to split off squares so that they go to two outputs, but circles only go to one. And then we simply need a splitter here. For squares. Because that's all that's going to be coming through here. But now I can't put this in both of them. I guess it doesn't matter. We'll just do like this. It's ugly, but we'll see what happens. Why are there green triangles going to the trash can? That shouldn't be possible. Because all triangles are going in here, and if they're green, they should be coming out and going in here. They shouldn't be... I guess since it says any... God, that's annoying. Connection points are confusing. For what function links to what? Yeah, you did tell me. Yeah. Green or any. Coding isn't this difficult? I believe you. I believe you. Okay, so we've got to switch these then. So everything that's green goes into here. The red and blue stuff goes up here. We're gonna set the triangles to go into there. And then, no, that can't work either. Because then it's just colors. Oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna have to start over again. Because now I'm confused by everything that's sitting out here. We need a trash can. I know that already. So weighing that up. Basic coding. I gotta learn how to do it for real. I thought that this was gonna teach that, but it's not. It's just logic puzzles. Okay. Like it for a test? Coding for a test? Yeah. The basic stuff, though, isn't this hard. Try keeping everything in line with everything that's correlating to other functions. Yeah, that's... With the connections, it's a little bit difficult, but I'll try. Coding is just logic puzzles in a funky language? Yeah. That sounds right to me. Now I'm just totally stumped. We might have to come back to this one. That's tough. Let's see. Let's see what the tree is. Yeah, so that's over here. We're gonna have to do that one later. What is this? You've reached the end of the epoch. Click on one of the banners to proceed further in the story. Gold. Cats. Biology iRobot. I wonder if we can go back. I don't know. We'll see. Cat mail. Oh my gosh. This should definitely work. You would think so. Eureka. The cat has been detected. We did it. That's silly. Okay, we can go back. Dawn of Civilization achievement. Nice. Can see that being difficult. Don't like the way the lines work? Me too. Yeah, it can make it confusing. Intermediate coding for a few languages. There you go. Very nice. Oh my gosh. The axe jokes. Oh no. Oh no. Cat overflow task. Okay. Let's see what this is about. So I managed to make my computer detect the cat, but that beast is a complicated soul. It definitely has more to tell. Maybe it's time to go next level and start recognizing emotions. Ever heard of perceptrons? They were invented in the 60s to recognize written text. Everyone knows that everything invented in the 60s is awesome by default. The double helix rock and roll lava lamps. That's right. Also, you can maybe switch to dogs instead of cats. Decision trees work like a magic for my Pluto. You could also hit the store and get that random forest node. A forest is more effective than just one tree, you know. It's true. Here we go. We got more connectors. For something completely different. Perceptrons can actually learn and improve. Bad news, they also make a ton of errors on the way. The percentage of errors is shown on the icon. 75% errors. Use training mode to teach perceptrons and decrease the amount of errors. Okay. In training mode, Perceptron reduces the amount of errors while trying to predict the shape of elements. In test run, Perceptrons only predicts shapes. Rosenblatt's Perceptron used in Mark 1. This Perceptron could recognize only simple linear dependencies, but it was enough to recognize English letters. Oh. Okay. Mark 1 Perceptron. Very basic. And then we want to do training. There we go. The nodes on the field have reached their minimum margin of error. There's nothing more you can teach them. Okay. Then we test run. It's doing very well. Oh, we almost lost it on the triangles. We got gold. Gold again. Tommy, how's it going? Java MOOC is great for learning Java. Aha. I'll definitely check that out. Time is passing by and the market changes. When a hype icon is yellow, it means your target audience is already aware of your startup. Don't expect many new users at this point. Okay. When hype icon is gray, that means that you've satisfied your target audience. Users starting to leave. Watch your earnings carefully. When the number becomes red, it's time to cash out. Okay. User 0. Income is dropping. Cat Cash. The Pizza Shack. We got paid one time. Oh my god. Your shares cost $21.54. Are you sure you want to sell them and leave the startup? Sell them. We're rich! What the heck? Oh my god. Amazing. Is there anything else I can click on? Seabay, the cat store. Test V Skyrom pre-installed? Oh my gosh. Banhammer miniature? We don't have enough. Fade haircut? Give me a break. Protects from radiation. Who needs that? Back propaganda poster? Amazing. Hardware. Increases socket's processing queue by 3. Increase node's work speed by 1%. Data transfer speed by 1%. How did I not know about this? I want all of these. Hide in room. More FPS for more gold. What does this mean? Show in room. Okay. Cat skins. Cyborg cat. That's a 1. Cheshire. That's pretty good too. Viking helmet. Oh my god. Get a cat. That's amazing. I don't know that I want to spend all of my money on a cyborg cat. I'll think about it. He's looking a little silly right now. Very festive. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break for a minute. I'll be right back. The cyborg cat bot? Yeah. Okay, we're back. Let's see. Dairy products? Manufacturer. Hello, my name is Sam. I own a dairy products factory. My dream is to make very best goods on the market, and that's impossible without high accuracy and fermentation processes. He's fermenting his dairy products. Okay. Off with the fancy words. I want a program that would judge the quality of a product by its ingredients. We often make mistakes when doing it manually, and a lot of our products never leave the factory since we mark them as defective. We have the data, but we need the algorithm. Okay. Mark 1 perception. This will accept all three? We can't do it this way. How in the world? How come I don't have my other tools here? What the heck? I'm pretty sure we can't hook this up to 2 either. Yeah, we can't. This one's all of them, and this one only wants circles. It's very strange. But it doesn't make sense to put circles there, because I can't do both of these. And I can't do circles up here and down there. What the heck? How the heck is this supposed to work? I don't see how this is gonna work without other tools. It doesn't make any sense. Because all of these only have one output, so I can't split the circles. It's not possible with these tools. Yeah, that one's gonna have to wait. Let's see. RL0, reinforcement learning. Hello. We as a society of peoples who love cats, we want our cats to has all the best. We want cats to drive cars with no humans inside. But cats have no hands, cats has paws. Can you make a car that self-drive? There's no such thing, it's impossible. Yours, Dr. Meow? Cats? Human person? Please excuse our grammar. We are not cats, we are humans. But we can't type well because we has paws and no hands. Terrible car accident. Bad surgery. That's why we need a self-driving cars. Haha. Okay. This game is not what I thought it was. I'll tell you that right now. In reinforcement learning, task nodes work in a different way. Okay. I see. I see the comment now. All data is initially unspecified, and your task is to recognize it and transmit it to RL agent, the AI. Okay. Object detection. Gets the unrecognized data on the input and classifies them as either an object or as a road. Objects go to the upper socket, roads to the bottom. SIFT is one of the most powerful non-neural algorithms. We've read this already. Okay. So what are we supposed to put in here? We want roads in there? Objects go to the upper sockets, roads to the bottom. I don't see any other... And we don't have any other tools, so like how do we... You'll be training and testing your AI. Acts basing on data you've been recognizing when building your scheme. Okay. The data about surroundings on the road are processed from your scheme to machine learning model. Your car won't be capable of learning and detecting obstacles without it. The goal in this type of task is to make the AI clever enough to be able to reach the target average speed level. Press supervised learning and drive the track yourself using WASD or arrow keys to teach the AI. Be careful the car sees only objects inside a LiDAR area, green, and only learn from them. What the heck? Press supervised learning to proceed. Launch supervised learning and drive the car manually to record your actions. Pay attention to what your vehicle sees on the LiDARs. Launch training so the machine learning algorithm would try and reiterate your actions. When the car successfully achieves target speed, run the test. Okay. Okay. I kinda get it. Press training and watch the car's AI try to reproduce your actions. Okay. 50.58, so it's not quite going fast enough. $50 miles an hour. I can't turn. Okay. Okay, so we should be able to get up to the correct speed without running into anybody. That'll be great. We gotta see if there's more objects coming up, though. Okay. I don't know what 3 of 5 is, but that's fine. And then we do training, right? Achieve the target speed level. We did it. Press test and enjoy your results. If the result isn't good enough, try training the car again. Oh my god. Why did he run into the back of the other car? Oh. He did it again. Launch complete. Result gold. We did it. I'll accept it. Okay. Text recognition then. Or, let's see. I don't think that we can do this. Yeah, it's still just giving us these objects. I don't know why we would need a trash can either. I wonder what happens if we don't send any circles up here. Because it wants circles, so I feel like the accuracy is going to be low. Oh, wait a second. Training, that's the one that I wanted. Because it's sending all kinds of the wrong things down here. But this is going to also want circles, and we can't deliver them up there. I wish once this was full, it would just send the circles up here. Yeah. Walking fast doing coding. It's true. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense to me how we're supposed to send circles down here. It still isn't going to get it to work. Because that's only got circles. Yeah, it's putting, like, some of them in there. We're not getting enough circles down here, though. It's too slow. Because we're back down to bronze. Launch failed. Yeah, we needed one more in here, and we would have been fine. It's just too slow. Let's try it again. Yeah, because it's really shooting them out here, but then it barely moves here. It's very slow. And we're not getting enough circles down here. Let's train it a little bit more. We needed to make some errors to send the circles down here too. I mean, over here. So yeah, are we purposefully trying to make errors, maybe? In order to get them split like that? Wow, this one is getting like zero things. It only needs 40% accuracy. Let's try this. Let's give this 2 nodes to work with. That helped. We got gold. By allowing it to have errors, we got gold. Oh man, that's weird. RNG is my best friend now. Yeah. That was just random. That's very strange. Okay, Metal Gear Construction Factory. Hello, we are the Metal Gear Construction Factory. We produce fittings and supply raw materials to construction grounds all around the world. We're especially proud of our high standards of quality. At the moment, we're receiving a lot of new orders and we're running late with the deadlines. An algorithm is required that will analyze the quality of raw materials and discard poor quality ore before it leaves the conveyor. Manual analysis takes way more time than we can afford. Okay. Oh no, it's one of these again. Oh, give me a break. I hate this. Already. Okay. We need 60% accuracy. We can even do the training right now, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. We'll try it again. We'll get it down to 20%. Okay. So it'll send the right ones. So let's see. Blue triangles is the only one of those that we want. Okay. If we have this here, we just go... We can't connect all of these up, though, is the problem. It can only have one connection at a time. Let's see. Okay, if we, here. If we hook this up down here, we don't need red triangles. We just need blue and green. So this will have them randomly spitting those out. And the reds, all the red triangles can go in the trash can. Some green triangles will go to the trash can as well, but some green triangles will be transported along this line, right here. And then we're gonna need 2 of these. Squares in here. So yeah, if they're red, they go in. The rest can go. But we're gonna get green squares in there too. Unless we add a couple more color trees. Okay. This one's gonna be green then. Let's see. Red will go in here. Green will go in the trash can. Red will go in here. And then for the circles, we gotta do the same thing. Blue circles go in the trash can. And then green circles also go in the trash can. Let's see what happens. It's not happening fast enough. Ugh. If we just delete these two, does it happen faster? With less accuracy? Because we'll get some green other ones in here. Yeah, see the green circle went in there. still ran out of time. How in the world do I make this faster? Maybe if we move these into the middle, they have more time to sort? I don't know if the distance matters. Because we were good on the accuracy. We just need them to get in there faster. Put the trash in the center. Yeah, we almost ran out of time again. We were going to. Yeah, too many items are going... Ran out of time again. Yeah, see, this one isn't getting, like, any items. These are processing as fast as they can. This guy's... I don't see how we could do this any faster. No, we can only have one connection here. Oh, what if we put all of the... We just put all of the triangles in. Just straight in. And then, yeah, the squares, we want the red squares to go in, and the blue squares can be thrown away. We're getting a ton of red triangles, though, there at the beginning. We're still down at bronze, though. So that's part of the answer. I don't like the idea of throwing a ton of, like, other color things in there. We're already getting green circles and squares in here. And red triangles. I don't know how we could do this any faster without... Maybe we need to buy some more speed upgrades. I don't know. Let me look again. What's getting... Nothing's getting bogged down. It's sending stuff out as fast as it can. And our accuracy is barely hanging in there. We did it again on bronze, but yeah, 62%. There. Let's just release it for now, and we'll come back to the ones that we didn't get gold on. We passed it, so I'm fine about it. New technologies in toy manufacturing. Howdy. I'm contacting you on behalf of Nuka Toy Company. We design and manufacture toys for children using 3D printing technology. There are 3 types of raw materials we use for printing, and we need an algorithm that would distribute them correctly. Passing a certain errors threshold could result in a disaster, so watch out for those. Yeah, because we found out having errors in some of these is how we fixed it in the first place. The bottom one needs the most items. I mean, my very first thought is to do it like this. But that's a whole RNG nightmare. Like this one down here will probably get what it wants at 100% accuracy. If we train this one, let's pull this one out for now. You had a dream about the Darkspawn last night again, Alex? Let's see, I don't know why we would do it like this, though. Its accuracy isn't going to be that great. But it's also not getting enough items. These two need the same amount, and I'm sending 2/3 of them down here instead. And this one, the accuracy is not good. Yeah, this one isn't getting items fast enough. That's the problem. Chain Perceptrons, that's right. So I wonder if we throw this like this. So we can split up the circles. Because we are getting circles down off of this one. We still need more items going up here, though. Oh, we got we got bronze. Amazing. I didn't notice what the accuracy was up here. Let's try again. Sending all circles up there. We got gold. Overmined. We did it. It's more accurate chained? Oh, okay. Yeah, we used fewer nodes than we could have. But I feel like if we used more, it wouldn't have happened in time. Because we were less than a second away from getting silver. Amazing. We did it. Now this one down here is still bothering the heck out of me. Because it has to be 100% accuracy. Victory dance indeed. See, we can't do it like... This will be way too many of them. If we put this here, add this as squares, then we'll need 2 of these. So, circles. But then green will still go through. Them not having 3 color selectors is really frustrating. Sif triangles? That's what I thought at first too, but I don't see that working well for us. Blue-red to output 1. But they should all go to the trash. All the blue and red triangles. Oh, wait. I see. Yeah. Because, let's see. Else to the red and blue. I see. Okay. Yeah. But it won't be only blue and red circles and squares. It'll also be green ones that come up here. There's not very many of them, but... yeah, if we choose green here, though, and link that up, it's not going to work. Because it'll send red along there, too. If I select red, it'll say, it'll send blue ones in there, too. Using magic to complete the puzzle. Oh my god. No. It will hard code this one out, and I can send the red ones to the trash, but then the blue ones will just go on whichever. They will not care. So I could do 2 color trees and have green, right, and then blue to the trash, and that way we only get green triangles. That's possible, but we have to, yeah, we have to do 2 trees here. That is the way? Okay. And so we're only getting circles and squares up here, but we need to send all of the green ones away, and we need red ones to come down here too, as well as over here. Put the trash in the middle. Because, yeah, we're still going to get the green circles and squares up here. I don't know how we're going to get red squares to 2 different places. I don't know if we have to. I don't know if we need squares down here, but I feel like we do. There's 20 triangles, so this would get 18 triangles if we didn't send red squares down here. Another sift and tree up top. Up here, if we could just get green to go away, then that would be the answer, you know? But if we select green here and say put that in the trash, we'll lose some blue circles and squares. See, there's 20, 35. It might be few enough that we still fill it up. So if we do like this, that might work. Let's see what happens. It's going really slow. It's just really slow. I don't see how we speed that up though. It's accurate but slow, exactly. Yeah. So I don't know what else we could do there to speed it up and keep it accurate, you know. Yeah, I feel like this is really good, right there. Because yeah, we're losing the fewest amount of data by splitting it red and green and keeping the accuracy up. Does the game give you hints? I don't think so. That's a success so far? Yeah. I agree. It doesn't count as this, but, let's see, what's this do? How does that help? It select all of them? Yeah, it did. So I can move them all around. Let's do another test run, see what happens. So I wonder, because the decision trees are much faster than the sifter. So I feel like having the sifter at the front is probably what's slowing us down. But I don't know of another way that we could do it. Maybe having the sifter at the end or something. So if we sift... If we do the red, right, like we did before... Let me see about this. We will still have to sift it to get the triangles out, but maybe we can do that towards the end somehow? No, these take 0.297 seconds to send out data, and these take 1.2. So these are a full second slower. That's just taking the green ones. What does this do? Yeah, see, they're getting maxed out. They can't output the data fast enough. This might get us no, not quite. Ah! We were one item away from getting metal. Give everything their own trash can? Yeah, this one's still getting overloaded. Maybe we just throw another... No, we can't do that because it doesn't split. Let's put this here. And then have one more sifter that does the triangles. That goes in the trash can. There. So we're splitting the sifters, yeah? We did try putting the slower ones first, and I was feeling like that was slowing it all down from the very beginning. So I think having the slow ones at the end is one answer. Let's see what happens. I feel like that's 9/10 of coding, right? Let's see what happens. Yeah, this one is still getting overloaded because of the red. I can't split off the red either. Hey. We almost did it again. The chain works, yeah. It sped it up a lot. We almost had it. Maybe this one just needs to be extended, so that there's more data on the line than inside of it. I don't know if that's gonna make that big of a difference. It's thinking about working faster, but it's just not getting there. And we're not getting the green fast enough. Chain 1 below 2. A decision tree and a sift. What, to get the blue ones out faster? This is too many modules. But this one's not getting overloaded, it's the red one. Hey, we still got silver though, so that helped. We got one. You're heading home, Norm? No problem. Have a good one. I'll take that. I'll take that. Good thing. We unlocked something else. WTL VR? I think we will buy the cyborg cat. There we go. Cosplay. I kind of want to get the Cheshire too. There he is. What? Oh, it's two different skins? That's pretty funny. You could just swap the skin right here. That's nice. You're not hitting up PZ tonight? Gonna be a rough night ahead, having to adulting. Yeah. It does suck. I agree with that. Alright, text recognition. We're aware that you were able to create a text recognition system based on the Rosenblatt perceptron. We need a similar system that would also be able to distinguish vowels from consonants. This task is simpler, but more accuracy is required. Rosenblatt perceptron. First perceptron, machine neuron, was invented by Frank Rosenblatt in 1957. Frank created Mark I in 1960. Mark I is a perceptron machine that can recognize English letters by their shapes. Okay. Oh, I see the issue here. This one needs almost twice what this one needs. We can't do that, can we? Oh, we can. Okay. That's still only 2 and 2. That only makes it even. It doesn't actually help me. We need a third one. Down here. No, that's not going to help either. I wonder if we could just do it like this, since this one needs twice as much. We don't want to send squares up here. I feel like this is too simple. It'll never work. Oh, I didn't think to count the number of items either. Get 12 seconds to get more circles in. We did it. Gold. It was that simple. It was literally that simple. 5 likes on the stream so far. That's good. Listening to Max Richter. Chain them to the max, that's right. Chain them again. Acceptable. Self-driving car. Hi, we're trying to launch our self-driving taxi service. It's a very promising startup. But we have a problem. Our algorithm makes a lot of errors when it tries to recognize traffic lights. As a result, the car sometimes moves instead of stopping. Hope you can solve this problem. The code must be working very fast. Okay. About to invest 4,000 in the startup? Do I have that much money? I do. We'll do it. You don't need to train your nodes while working on a startup. They already have the minimum error margin, because time is money. Okay. So this is another simple one, I guess. Oh, it did below. Oh, wow. What the heck? It's really doing a bad job at being accurate. I say we do chain these, then. We'll try to double filter the triangles to get that accuracy back up. This is the way. We need more gold? It's true. I feel like this is working. I think it's real simple, but it seems to be correct. Deploys the code to the servers. From this moment, the startup will work automatically. Launch. Okay. It's not always possible to satisfy all your customers in one day. Users with unfulfilled requests are shown in red color. You don't have the instruments to solve this problem for this startup, but you'll get some to handle the future ones, okay? So you have some unsatisfied users. That's okay. We're at gold hype, though. Alright. I'll take it. You see, it looks like it's getting close to time for me to call it. It is. But I'm gonna be back here in about an hour or so with Deep Rock Galactic, and I should be able to be to play with Iron Gates. What did we play with him before? I'm trying to think. I played Dungeons & Dragons Online with him, but I don't think that was streamed or recorded. I'm sure I played something with him on stream, or on recording. But anyways, I'll be playing with Iron Gates. We'll do one more. And then I'll be back, like I say, in an hour. We'll play this again on Saturday, too, I think. It's pretty fun. Risk of Rain 2? I think somebody mentioned that before. I'll look into it. Risk of Rain 2. Okay. You'd play that? You're pitching it to the crew? There you go. So it might have been you. Hello. We represent the Lollipop Guild. The Lollipop Guild? Oh, a scientific center. Our current programs are underperforming. Can you parallelize our calculations? That was a really old reference, by the way. To process data, your nodes need computing power. a server. Certain nodes require more than one server. The more servers you use, the more expensive your scheme becomes. In the game, this node routes elements to the least overloaded socket. Oh, nice. Node requires additional server power. Okay. A load balancer is a device that distributes network or application traffic across a cluster of servers. Load balancing improves responsiveness and increases the availability of applications. Okay. Guess it'd be better if I just put it in the middle. Boom. Success. I don't think you really have any choice but to succeed on those, unless you just go crazy. Dictatorship. Okay. I said one more, so that was about it. That'll be fine. Well, yeah, I'm having fun with this. Some of these, like the crowd psychology, was really hard. Yeah, we can go back and modify it. But we got the silver, so that's fine. Let's see how the cars are doing. Oh, income fluctuating a little bit. That's all right. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so it basically told me I can't help it that this happened. Oh no. We cashed out again. We made our investment back. Because I think we've been paid 2,000 twice now. Oh, even with no hype, this is keeping on going pretty well. Yeah, and here's our... We invested 4,000 into it, and so if we cash out our shares right now, we would make 600 bucks. Almost 700. Okay, that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks everybody for showing up. This was kind of a weird game, but it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed the heck out of it. What else? Oh, we got new hardware. Decreased server costs by 3%. Taking it. I'm buying it. It still says there's one more. Oh, yeah. Increase sockets processing queue by 5. Good. See, that should help us with the ones... That one that was really slow, that was getting bogged down. I think that was the crowd one, right? I'm getting distracted. Where this one was filling up. Yeah. It's not maxing out anymore. Or as much. So it was able to process faster. We still only got, well, we did worse this time. I thought it would help that to process faster, but it didn't. Let's see, did it keep our silver? Yeah, from last time. That's fine. 32%. So there's not a lot much more to this game. I'll probably just play it all the way through. But yeah, Alex Gargastar, thanks for being here. Norm, I appreciate you. Tommy Two Taps as well. Zadunas showing up, saying hello. Means a lot to me. Let's see. Lang196, Cyber Zombie was here. Good times. And Dunson, of course. There it was. That's going to do it for this one. If you want to catch another one, be sure to subscribe. Consider supporting my channel by becoming a member or through the Patreon link down in the video description. And feel free to check out any of my other videos or playlists that you might be interested in. I thank you so much for all the time that you spend on my channel, and I hope blessings of wisdom and peace on all of you. Farewell.